Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download uBlock Origin and create custom privacy filters, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the official uBlock Origin GitHub page. Locate the releases section on the page. Click on the most recent release link. This will take you to a list of available files for download. Look for the file compatible with your browser. For Chrome, select the .crx file. For Firefox, download the .xpi file. For Microsoft Edge, use the .crx file as well. Once the file finishes downloading, locate it in your Downloads folder. If you're using Chrome or Edge, you'll need to install the extension manually. Open your browser and go to the Extensions menu. For Chrome, enter Chrome//extensions in the address bar. For Edge, enter Edge//extensions. Enable developer mode at the top right corner. Click Load Unpacked and select the folder where you downloaded the file. Your uBlock Origin extension should now be installed. For Firefox, you can click on the downloaded .xpi file to install directly. Once installed, the uBlock Origin icon will appear in your browser toolbar. To create custom privacy filters, click on the uBlock Origin icon. Select the dashboard option from the drop-down menu. In the dashboard, navigate to the My Filters tab. Here, you can add your custom filter rules. To create a filter, simply type the rule in the text box. Make sure to follow the correct syntax for effective filtering. After adding your rules, click the Apply Changes button. You can also check the My Rules tab to see your active filters. To further customize, explore the Filter Lists tab. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.